So we have the sum of a two-digit number is 1/3 of the number. The units digit is 5 more than the tens digit. So we need to translate this to mathematical notation. Personally, I think the second sentence is easier to translate, so let's do the easier one first. So how do I translate the units digit is 5 more than the tens digit? How does that get written in mathematical notation? Ellie?
10x plus y.
So we have 10x plus y equals.
And then, well, I made them equal to each other, so you have to translate.
Well, let's take a look at this. The units digit is 5. So what's units digit? Units digit. What are we going to call the units digit? B. You want to call it B? I'd call it U personally, but
Let's call it panda.
let's call it U. So the units digit, U. What's another word for is? Equals. Okay. 5 more. How do you write 5 more?
5 plus.
Or plus 5. Either way would work. And the tens digit.
10.
Tens digit is just t. The tens digit is the number in the tens place. Okay. So we have our first sentence successfully written. So now we need to turn the first sentence into a number, into a mathematical sentence. The sum of the digits. The sum of the digits. So what's the sum of the digits? How do I write the sum of the digits? Yes, yes, Owen?
U plus t.
U plus t. So we have u plus t. So that's the units digit plus the tens digit. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is. What does is mean? Famous question in the 1990s. Depends on the definition of it. Is. As Bill Clinton. All right. Is 1/3 of the number. How do I say 1/3 of the number? And this is going to get back to what Ellie was saying earlier.
1/3.
Okay. 1/3 of is this piece right here.
10t plus.
Because that's my number. Oh, wonderful. So I have two separate equations. One is very basic and easy to deal with. The other one is a little bit longer. So I don't know about you. I don't love the 1/3. How do you guys feel about the 1/3? So we want to, Hunter, what did you say we should do?
Multiply it all by 3.
Multiply everything by 3 and we get rid of the fraction. So I'm going to multiply this side of the equation by 3. I'm going to multiply this side of the equation by 3. What is 3 times u?
3.
What is 3 times t?
3t.
And this is going to be equal to, well, 3 divided times 1/3. 1. Oh, so I just end up with 10t plus u. So let's take a look here. Oh my goodness, we have u isolated. U is equal to t plus 5. So what can I write instead of u? T plus 5. So I have 3u plus 3t is equal to, oh, but wait a second, we said we're going to make the u t plus 5. So instead of u, we have t plus 5 is equal to 10t plus t plus 5. So let's simplify the sides a little bit. What's 10t plus t?
11t.
It's 11t. I still have my plus 5. What is 3 times t? 3t. What is 3 times 5? So what will I do to get the t's by itself? Subtract 3t. Oh my goodness, you're right. Thank you. So 3t plus 3t is? Yeah. I heard you say 60, so I start writing a 6. Brilliant. It's equal to 11t plus 5. So now what will I do to both sides? Subtract 6t. So subtract 6t. So I get 15 is equal to 5t plus 5. What will I do next? So I get 10 is equal to 5t. What does t equal? 2. So my tens digit is 2. So if my tens digit is 2, what is my units digit? 7. So the number that I'm thinking of is? Yes, Grace?
Owen said my work was wrong because I
Hey,
left the
bless me.
fraction. And then I said his work was wrong because he just wrote the equation.